Hello guys, nandito na yung ibang gamit ng could. Okay, ano nga ba yung gamit ng could? Past tense of can in indirect speech. Pag sinabing indirect speech, guys, meron kasi tinatawag tayong direct speech. Pag yung talagang ikaw yung nagsasabi. Okay. Pag ikaw ang nagsasabi, okay, kung ano yung direktang sinabi ng subject, magkakaroon ng ganito. Okay? May dalawang ganyan. Okay. Eto, Peter said, I can swim. Okay. Sinabi ni Peter, kaya kong lumangoy. Okay. So, kung isasalaysay mo kung ano yung sinabi niya, magiging indirect speech na yon. Okay. Indirect speech. Kaya yung can magiging could na pag magiging indirect speech. Okay. Peter said, I can swim. Yan yung direct speech. Okay. Isalaysay natin kung ano yung sinabi niya. Peter said that he could swim. Okay? Sinabi ni Peter na, mapapansin nyo guys, sa indirect speech, wala na yung dalawang ganito. Okay? Kaya alam mo yung nadagdag na that. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan sa Tagalog na. Okay? Na. Peter said that, okay? Sinabi ni Peter na, he could swim. Kaya niyang lumangoy. Okay? So, yung can magiging could. Okay? Next, she said, I can see you. Okay? Yung direktang sinabi ng, ito, yung subject she, yung direktang sinabi niya is, I can see you. Can see you. Kaya kitang makita. Or nakikita kita. Okay? Tapos guys, isalaysay natin kung ano yung sinabi ng, subject na she. Okay? She said that, okay, sinabi niya na, she could see you. Sinabi niya na, nakikita ka niya. Okay? Ganun yun. So, yung mula sa can, dun sa direct speech, pag magiging indirect speech na siya, or isasalaysay mo kung ano yung sinabi niya, magiging could na. Okay? Kaya lang, wala. Sa indirect speech, wala na yung ganon. Hindi ko alam ano tawag dito. Tapos, guys, eto, magkakaroon ng that. Okay? She said that she could see you. Okay? Sinabi niya na nakikita ka niya. Ganon yun. Okay? So, from direct speech, okay, magiging indirect speech yung pangungusap, isasalaysay mo kung anong sinabi niya. Yung can, magiging could na. Okay? So, mali pala, guys, pag sinabi mo, she said that she can see you. Okay? Pag sinabing, she said that, sinasalaysay mo na kung anong sinabi niya. So, mula sa salitang can na present tense, magiging could na siya pag indirect speech na siya. Okay? Next. Jennifer said, I can't hear you. Sinabi ni Jennifer na, hindi kita madinig. Okay? So, isalaysay mo yon mula sa direct speech na sinabi niya. Okay? Yung sinabi niya na, I can't hear you, isasalaysay mo yan ngayon. Okay? Jennifer said that, okay? Si Jennifer, sinabi niya na, okay, she couldn't hear you. Hindi kanya madinig. Okay? Jennifer said that she couldn't hear you. Okay? Sinabi ni Jennifer na hindi kanya madinig. Okay? So, tandaan guys yung can, pagiging couldn't. Okay? So, from present tense, magiging past tense na pagdating sa indirect speech. Okay? So, next na tayo. He said, I can't support my family. Okay? So, ito yung direct speech. Okay? Sino yung subject? He. Okay? He said, sinabi niya, hindi ko kayang suportahan ang aking pamilya. Okay? I can't support my family. Okay? So, isalaysay mo ngayon mula sa direct speech. Okay? He said that. Okay? Sinabi niya na, kaya he, kasi ang nagsalita kasi, ito yung subject, he. Okay? He said that. Okay? Couldn't. Kaya he, kasi mula sa subject na he. Okay? He couldn't support his family. Kasi lalaki siya, kaya yung family niya, hindi her, okay? Hindi his, okay? His. He said that he couldn't support his family, okay? Paano kung babae to? She said, I can't support my family. So, kung magiging babae siya, papalitan mo lang din to. She said that she couldn't support her family, okay? So, dapat yung his at saka her, okay? Dapat, tugma dito sa subject, okay? He said that he couldn't support his family. So, guys, mula sa I can't, kaya yung can't, magiging couldn't, okay? Pero hindi mo na sasabihin na I can't. Kasi yung I, so, yung I kasi, tumutukoy dito sa subject na he. Kaya, sinabi niya na hindi niya kayang supportahan ng kanyang pamilya. He said that he couldn't support his family. So, nagigets niyo po ba guys? So, in summary guys, yung past tense of can, gagamitin natin yung could. Okay? Mula sa can na, ito yung direct speech, okay? Yung direktahang sinabi ng subject. Tapos, isasalaysay mo ngayon kung anong sinabi niya. Yun na yung magiging indirect speech. Kaya lang, pagka indirect speech na, mula sa salitang can, okay, pag indirect speech na, magiging could na siya. Okay? Could. Okay? Magiging past tense na siya. Okay? So, ganun lang yun. Tapos, mula sa direct speech, yung may dalawang ganito, pag gagawin mo na siyang indirect speech, wala na siyang ganyan. Tapos, kaya lang magkakaroon ng ganito. Okay? Tapos, depende dito sa subject na to, kung sino yung subject dito. So, ito guys, exercises natin. Okay? So, gawan natin yan ng sagutan natin. Peter said, I can play a guitar. O, ayan yung direkta or direct speech. Okay? Sinabi ni Peter na, kaya kong mag-play ng guitar. Okay? So, kaya niyang mag-play ng guitar. So, gagawin natin indirect speech. So, do you have, meron na po ba kayong idea kung paano? So, Peter, okay, so gagayahin lang natin yon. Said, huwag kakalimutan yung that, Sinabi niya na, that, yung I, eto, yung I, hindi mo na sasabihin I. Sino bang nagsabi ng I, di ba si Peter? So, lalaki siya eh. Kaya, gagamitin natin he. Okay? Peter said that he, mula sa can, magiging could. Okay? Could play a guitar. Guitar. Okay? Peter said that he could play a guitar. Ayun, nagsalaysay ka na mula dun sa direct speech. Okay. Ayun, direct speech. Peter said, I can play a guitar. Sa Tagalog, sinabi ni Peter, kaya kong mag-play ng guitar. Okay. O, isasalaysay mo ano yung sinabi. Sa akin, magiging could na siya dito. Okay. Next. She said, ito, girl naman siya, kaya she, okay? He said, I can write a novel. Okay? Sinabi niya na, kaya kong magsulat ng nobela. Sa Tagalog. Okay? Yan yung direct speech. Yung direktahang sinabi niya. Ano ba yung direktahang sinabi niya? I can write a novel. Okay? Kaya kong magsulat ng novel. Okay? Sige, isalaysay natin kung anong sinabi niya. Pag sinalaysay na natin, yung kung anong sinabi niya, yan yung indirect speech. Okay? So, umpisahan na natin doon. He said that, tandaan natin, sabi niya, I can write a novel. Hindi mo na ulitin yung I can write a novel. Kasi sino bang nagsabi, di ba siya? Babae siya eh. Siya yung nagsabi, okay? So, she could write a novel. So guys, pagka sa direct speech, huwag kakalimutan na mula dito sa direct speech na Ken, yung kanya, pag magiging indirect na, magiging could na. Past tense na ng Ken ang gagamitin. Okay? Tapos syempre, direktahan, kailangan mayroong that. Ay, indirect na siya. Kaya dapat wag kakalimutan yung salitang that. Okay? Okay? Next. They said, okay, they. Okay? We can start a business. Okay, sinabi nila na kaya nating magtayo ng negosyo. Okay, magtayo. Start o mag-umpisa ng negosyo. Okay? We can start a business. Okay? Kaya nating magtayo ng negosyo. Kaya nating mag-umpisa ng negosyo. Can start a business. Okay? So, tatandaan natin, they ang nagsabi, no? They said, susunod, anong salita? That. So, wala nang ganito, yung dalawang ganon. Okay, they said that. Yung we, sino yung we? Di ba they? Okay? They could start a business. Okay, yan na yan. Sinabi nila na kaya nilang mag-umpisa ng negosyo. O kaya nilang, sinabi nila na kaya nilang magtayo ng negosyo. Sa Tagalog. So, they said we can start a business. Kaya yan yung direct speech. Salaysay mo kung ano yung sinabi nila. They said that they could start a business. Okay? So, yung can magiging could na. Okay? Next, ito. You said I can't go to the party. Sinabi mo na, you said, sinabi mo na, tapos ito yung direct niya. I can't go to the party. Hindi ako makakapunta sa party. Okay? So, isalaysay natin kung anong sinabi niya. Okay? You said, yung I, di ba I tumutukoy dito sa you? Okay? That yung can't magiging couldn't, okay? Couldn't or could not, okay? Go to the party. The party. So, wag kakalimutan guys, yung can, pag negative statement, magiging cannot, okay? Or magiging can't, okay? Ganyan yan. Okay? Tapos, pag ano naman guys, yung could not, okay? Magiging couldn't. Okay? Okay? So, huwag kakalimutan yan guys yung piniksi. Could not, couldn't. Okay? So, ito yung direkta ang sinabi. Okay, you said, I can't go to the party. Okay, yan yung direkta. Okay, or direct. Okay. O ngayon, isalaysay natin kung ano yung sinabi mo. Okay. You said that you couldn't go to the party. So, tama ba guys? Yung can't magiging couldn't. Okay? Magiging couldn't. So, guys, maganda yan na masanay ka kasi ginagamit yan sa school, guys. Okay? Mga ganyan, pag nagsasalaysay ka ng kung ano yung sinabi ng ibang tao, so marunong ka na magganyan. Simple lang yan guys, kasi can lang yan, yung can magiging could. Okay? Mayroon pang indirect speech na ang gamit ay may at saka might. Marami pa yan basta kung gusto nyo matuto dyan guys, i-type nyo lang sa Google or sa YouTube yung indirect speech. Teka lang, ganyan guys. Para matuto kayo, okay? Pwede nyo i-type dyan. Ayan, direct speech, okay? Tsaka, indirect speech. Pag nasanay kayo dyan guys, unti-unti, magiging magaling kayo sa English. Yan lang guys